Okay everyone, something has just materialized over here. These lionesses have spotted some buffalo moving not too far away. But look at that. Oh, that buffalo is getting much closer. If these lionesses do spring up and run off the buffalo, we will move quite quickly. I think the buffalo, oh, there we go. Gonna move everyone, let's try to see. It looks like they managed to not quite get one yet, but they were following one. The elephant or trumpeting, there we go. Oh wow, look at this. Yes, this is incredible everyone. Just again everybody, for those sensitive viewers, if you are watching, it's not always easy to see, but this is nature everybody, so just bear that in mind please. And this is interesting, let's just watch. We have all 5 lionesses now. Watch how they'll try and keep that buffalo busy while that one lioness is hanging on. She won't let go, but look how strong this. Look at that, try and get the legs out from under the buffalo. And how powerful is that buffalo though, to be able to stand with this lioness on its back. Those other buffalo may also come back and help this one. And there's some elephant coming into the area now too. Let's see what happens. Wow, this is... Oh. Look at that. Managed to shake off that lioness and get away. Now with this elephant just off to the right, you might see it coming into frame. There we go. Let's see what happens here. Now you see the lionesses moving off very quickly. Wow! Look at that, isn't that incredible? Buffalo managed to get away and the elephants chased the lions off. You see, lions do not really like big elephant. I'm just going to watch what this elephant does. No, easy. I'm not going to move. She's just chasing that other lioness. Don't charge us. Hey, don't worry. See, I don't want to move. No. Hang on. We're not here to hurt you. See, I don't want to make too many loud noises and sounds like this other guy is doing. See, they're a little bit upset with these lions around. This is just a young elephant though.
An elephant never forgets, but you might. Click subscribe and you'll never miss another safari.